Hi, this is Paris from Rapid Visual, and in this video I want to explain to you how you can use Rapid Visual AI to brainstorm potential customer segments. We're at our business model canvas where we are working on the idea of a solar-powered portable power bank. We've already created a napkin sketch, and now we want to explore who might be a potential customer segment for this particular idea. So I click on the customer segment plus icon so I can open up the prompt, and now I have the choice to either type in the customer segment that I may have in mind or let the AI suggest. And if I click on that, AI is going to do its thing and it's going to come up back to you with a couple of options, 12 in fact. One of the ones I already have in mind is outdoor enthusiast. So I click on that and I create the element. And once I do that, now that's in my business model canvas and it's influencing everything else. So it's a sequential prompt that's happening in the back end. So eventually in a later video, you'll see how you actually click to generate the entire thing. That's exactly what's happening in this particular part. But maybe it's not just one customer segment. It could be, for example, that I have a different customer segment, and I was particularly thinking of food truck operators. They might be interested in that emergency backup value proposition. So I type in food truck operators and I click create customer segment, and there I have it. I have two customer segments. I can go for more, but the process here is a place where you edit and get inspired and use the AI to help you brainstorm as you try to create a better vantage point of where your idea can go from there. Have fun and keep innovating.